I'm so sick of all this moving around. Stay at home, my parents kept saying. You solve the problem yourself, without involving me. I'm old enough to decide what to do. Early in the morning, I packed my things and got on the bus to visit my friend. Meanwhile, some freak kept staring at me and smiling. Finally, there was my stop. So I got off the bus and went to my friend. That was the day I realized I'd better listen to my parents. Thinking it was all a joke they were just so worried about. As I was walking, I heard someone coming behind me. It was that guy on the bus. I made my move, but when I turned around again, the man disappeared. When I calmed down, I took a step back. When this man came around the corner of the old house and grabbed me. Before I could scream, he put a cloth over my mouth, and I passed out abruptly. I woke up in the old cellar. Not knowing how to get out, I cried.
Shh, don't worry. I'm here to help you.
All right then.
Where is he now?
He went upstairs.
I'll try to get you out of here. Ah, damn it.
What's going on down there?
We need to hide somewhere quickly. Behind this door, now.
What was that noise?
Sorry, I accidentally leaned on a hot pipe and got burned.
Well, wait a second. Something's wrong here. Goddamn imagination. The pipe burst. Well, wait a second. Something's wrong here. Goddamn imagination. What's going on down there? Huh? Well, wait a second. Something's wrong here. You thought I wouldn't notice the pieces of face? You little scum! What's going on down there? Huh? Well, wait a second. Something's wrong here. Who turned off the heater? You little scum!
Here's a respirator. Keep it ready. Put it on when I lock the psycho in your room.
Nice plan, though.
What's going on down there? So it's time to end this.
Don't do that, please!
Did you really think I wanted this?
I've done nothing.
Oh, you bastard!